Hello you guys, me and the girls are about to go into this big old Dollar Tree here in old Henderson. So let's go check and see. I haven't been here in a while, so let's go see. Look, Jemai, they got the Go-Burt yogurt. Come here, baby. Oh, these are puddings. Dang, and look, they name brand too. They got banana ones. Oh, I like these. I like these. They have good milk. They got almond milk too. I love this Dollar Tree. Yes, they have a whole lot more stuff here in the Henderson Dollar Tree. I like these. Did you get you some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something else?
No. I ain't gonna be in here much longer because mommy gonna have to run to the hair store. Yeah, they have a lot more chips. A lot more variety of chips. What are you looking for, Myra?
I'm my laptop.
Wow. They have popcorn too. I tried these and I actually liked them. These were pretty good, but I don't know about this flavor. I think I had more of a honey flavor. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna give these a chance.
Mommy, I really cute.
Who cute?
Cute.
Yes, Granny, we gotta come back and get a lot of our beauty stuff.
What?
Yes. I have to try this. I think I'm gonna get this and try it for the kids. They have a nice beauty section. Oh, they even have hair growth. They have some really nice stuff here in the baby section. All the way down to diapers. Yup, all the way down to diapers, y'all. And I might have to get Myra one or two of these little diapers. Just for backup in the car. Oh, growth oil. Uh-oh. They also have hair mask. Yes, they do. Leave-in conditioner. This store has some good stuff. Good stuff. Mom's gonna have to come and get some of this stuff. It's pretty good stuff. Really good things. You see any hair protective, heat protective? This will actually be good for Christmas. Jemai, look what they have that you love. Oh. Facial mist, watermelon, and sweet mint. Wow. Have a whole lot of beauty products. Did you see any hair protective? You didn't? They even have lashes. They have a whole lot of stuff here. Look, Granny, them the under eye things too. Yup. Y'all, they is booming out here. And these are Choco soaps, baby powder. Oh, look, they got baby powder with the taco-free stuff. They ain't nothing look like original. It don't have no smell to it. But it does have none of that taco stuff they used to make us get sick. Yes, they have a whole lot of stuff, and Mommy is coming back. Coming back and get some more stuff. They have good vitamins, toothbrushes. So now we're going into the meat place, and I want to show you my meat place from Compare Foods. Decent, lovely meats at a great price. You guys, please, I apologize. I am sorry. When I went into the meat market, I just started looking at different things and trying to go ahead and get in there early. I forgot to record. But I got some good deals, y'all. Compare food if you have one here in the South or where you live at. I got this T-bone steak for $6. I got another steak for $6.11. Then I think these right here, y'all, are, I think these some ribs. Some pork ribs. Yep, I got some pork ribs. I got some smoked pork neck. I got some more neck bones. Yup.